India has successfully flown its first locally manufactured Airbus 295 military transport aircraft. Built at the Tata-Airbus facility in Vadodara, this aircraft is the first of 40 C295s that will be manufactured in India for the Indian Air Force. At first glance, this may look like another defense procurement program, but from an engineering and manufacturing perspective, it is a major milestone. Building a modern military aircraft is an incredibly complex task. It involves advanced manufacturing, strict quality standards, precision engineering, and a highly skilled workforce. The successful flight of this aircraft shows how India's aerospace manufacturing capabilities are continuing to grow. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Airbus C295, its specifications, how it is being built in India, and why this program is so important for the country's aerospace industry. Let's start with the aircraft itself. The Airbus C295 is a medium tactical transport aircraft developed by Airbus Defence and Space. It is designed for a wide range of missions. This includes troop transport, cargo operation, medical evaluation, disaster relief, and humanitarian assistance. One of its biggest strengths is flexibility. The aircraft can be operated from short runways and semi-prepared airstrips. This allows it to reach locations where larger transport aircraft may struggle to operate. That capability makes it particularly useful for a country like India, where operational requirements range from desert and coastal region to mountain terrain. The aircraft is powered by two Pratt & Whitney Canada PW127G turboprop engines. It can carry more than 70 troops or 9 tons of cargo depending on the mission. Its reliability and versatility have made it a popular choice for air forces around the world. However, the aircraft itself is only part of the story. The real significance lies in where it is being built. The Indian Air Force ordered 56 Airbus C295 aircraft to replace its aging Aero transport fleet. Under this program, the first 16 aircraft are being directly delivered from Spain. The remaining 40 aircrafts are being manufactured in India through a partnership between Airbus and Tata Advanced Systems. To support this project, Airbus and Tata established a dedicated final assembly line in Vadodara, Gujarat. This facility holds special importance because it is India's first private sector military aircraft final assembly line. Aircraft manufacturing is among the most demanding industries in the world. Every component must meet extremely strict standards. The structure, wiring, hydraulics, fuel systems, and avionics all have to work together with exceptional reliability. Even a small error can have serious consequences. That is why aircraft production involves extensive testing, inspection, and quality control at every stage. The successful flight of the Made in India C295 confirms that the aircraft has successfully passed through these critical stages of manufacturing and validation. Another important aspect of this program is the development of India's aerospace supply chain. A modern aircraft consists of thousands of individual parts sourced from numerous suppliers. As production expands, more Indian companies will contribute components and assemblies for the aircraft. This helps strengthen domestic manufacturing while creating valuable experience in aerospace production. For engineers and technology enthusiasts, this may be one of the most exciting aspects of the entire project. Aircraft manufacturing cannot be developed overnight. It takes years of investment, workforce training, industrial infrastructure, and technical expertise. Every aircraft produced under this program helps build that experience, and those benefits extend far beyond the C295 itself. The knowledge, manufacturing techniques, and production system developed through this project can support future of aerospace and defense program as well. In many ways, the C95 program is not just about producing aircraft. It is about building long-term capability. Capability in manufacturing, capability in engineering, and capability in advanced technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content on engineering, automotive technology, aerospace innovations, and the future of transportation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.